Okay, for this assignment, what you need to do is figure out your monthly revenue. I should spell that correctly. Revenue. Actually, you're figuring out your monthly profit. So you need to analyze, are you going to make money or not? What tweaks do you need to make to your menu or to how many people, maybe the area you're selling to make sure that you are making enough money. So you're going to itemize. I just quickly, because this is an example, I just put my categories down and put the totals for the category. You go up to the sum, and I'm going to sum these. And then I'm also going to change all of these to be currency. And I don't want a bunch of zeros. I don't need those. So I changed that. Then I'm going to have here my monthly expenses. So cost of beverages, maybe my cost is $300. Food supplies, materials, whatever you had your expenses at. My food supplies are about $2,000. My materials for napkins, things like that, maybe about $800. My labor is really expensive at $4,000. Okay, so I need to add a couple of rows because I am. So I bolded some of these to look a little bit better, and I'm going to do more formatting, but I'm going to sum up just my monthly expenses, and you can copy and paste those directly from your sheet that you already did. Now, monthly profits, this is what's important. For the monthly profit, it means that I am going to subtract the expenses from my revenue. So I'm going to kind of do something different. I'm going to take the revenue, I'm going to click on that, I'm going to click minus, click on the expenses I'm making. So I am making a profit. So my company will be viable. It is making money. I am going to stick with the current food items and actually menu items. Current menu items and pricing. So if I wasn't making a profit, what I might do is actually add different items, take different items off of here to be more cost efficient, and that would be part of my analysis.